I'm Lynette and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you this small haul from Colourpop. Colourpop recently had their 5th anniversary celebration. They were celebrating their 5th anniversary and I purchased, look at that, isn't that pretty? They have a new watermelon collection, and so this is the box reflects the watermelon theme here, which is really cute. So I went and purchased a couple of items that have nothing to do with the watermelon collection. I don't know why, I don't know, I felt like for some reason I wanted to order, I felt like the time was right to order from Colourpop. So I went on ahead and placed an order, and then of course like the next week they're having 30% off everything. Anywho, I've been on the search. Actually, I think what got me to order is I've been on the search for really colorful eyeliners to put in my waterline. And I know Colourpop has recently, they released really colorful eyeliners, gel eyeliners, and they have 2 sets. They sell them like 4 or 5 in a sets of 2. And I had gone on a website to purchase one at $25 and I didn't, and then I don't know, I just started getting paranoid that it was gonna sell out. So I went on ahead and placed an order, and I got 5 of the gel eyeliners. So I'm just gonna show them to you. The first one that I got is Punch, and it is a yellow. I was really surprised at how short they are. Like, I don't know, I was expecting them to be longer. I do like that they're retractable and that the outside packaging matches the color of the eyeliner. So this one is in the color Punch, and it's a yellow. It's not a really bright yellow, so I don't know. I don't know how this color is going to work out, but we'll see. I swatched them after I first got them, and then I tried to rub them off, and you know, after they dried down a little bit, and I was kind of impressed at how hard it was to rub off. So that's encouraging. The next one is Teaspoon. The next one is Teaspoon, and it is a bright, well, the packaging is like a bright green, but the actual shade is not bright at all. So I'm a little disappointed at that. I was looking for a really bright pop of green, but this one doesn't necessarily have to be bright green since I kind of already sort of have one already. The next one is Piggy Bank, and it is purple, and it's not, is it broken? Oh no, the thing is not going up on it. What the heck? Are you kidding me right now? Oh, I'm so annoyed. Have you guys had this problem with Colourpop packaging? Ooh, I tell you, I hate their packaging. I hate it. Damn it. And this one I actually like. Look at that. The purple one, that's really pretty. But now it won't come up. Okay, so I am going to have to write to Colourpop and tell them about this because the mechanism is just, it's not working anymore. I swatched it, and now I can't get it to turn up again. So, oh, how frustrating and annoying is that? The next one I have is Boots, and this one is pink, really pretty on the outside. Well, this one turns. Oh my God, I'm so annoyed right now. And this one is a nice pink shade. It's not too bright, but it's not dull either. So that's nice. And then I'm so disappointed. I'm so mad right now. The next one is Puppy, and this is orange. And does this go up and down? Yes. Oh my goodness. And this is a nice orange, actually. It's a nice shade of orange. So I'm hoping I don't have problems with the mechanism with the other, with the other liners. Oh man, I'm so annoyed right now. And I was thinking of buying the other set. They have another set that has the white and I think some other brighter colors in it. And now I'm not so sure. So I'm gonna write to them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 5 in this set. I'm gonna write to them and see if they will send me a new one. And then Colourpop has these glittery Obsessed eyeshadows. They're kind of like, I guess, glitter with a binder in them, so you can apply them using your finger. You don't necessarily need to use any glitter glue. And there is a shade in here that I'm literally obsessed with. So they have, I want to buy just that shade, but then I saw that they had this like little mini set where you could get 3. One shade costs $8, and then this little mini set costs $12. And the eyeliner set was $25. I don't know if I mentioned that. So I went on and got the set instead of buying just the one, because some of the other colors in here I thought were really pretty and interesting. So I figured, why not just spend the extra $4 and I'll get to try different colors. So the one that I really wanted is this one, Starfire. And this is real. Ooh, this is the first time I'm swatching it. Ooh, it feels like, it feels spongy. And it's really beautiful. That's the swatch there on the end of my hand. Really pretty. It's got all these different blues and pinks and really nice. And then the next one is Star Party. And ooh, they feel like jelly. It's gray with a lot of different color glitter in it, and it's swatched right next to Starfire there at the end of my hand. I worry about these drying up quickly. And then the last one is Keep It Platonic. Ooh, this texture is, now Keep It Platonic looks absolutely white in the jar. It looks white in the jar with like gold glitter in it, but then when you swatch it, it's like all the way gold. That's the one there at the bottom. It's like all the way gold with a little bit, looks like a little green in it. So really pretty. The texture is really like, ew, but once they're swatched, and they look just like glitter. So these will be interesting to try. And then I did get a concealer, another concealer. You know that I use the Colourpop concealers every day. Oh, now they come in a little frosted tube. Look at that. Okay, Colourpop trying to get sexy. This is Dark 46. This is the one that I use in the winter time. I am now, I think I have moved over to my summer shade, but I wanted to make sure I had a backup for this one. So I went on and purchased it. And then I got a cream gel color in the pot. And in addition to the eyeliners, I also got a gel liner in the pot. And this is Piggy Bank. Okay, so the Piggy Bank liner doesn't work, but hopefully this will work. And this is just purple, so it's the same color as the liner, but in the pot form. And I'm hoping I'll have better luck with this packaging than with this packaging. Well, I haven't swatched it. I don't know. I just didn't want to put my finger in it. Should I put my finger in it? I'm gonna put my finger in it. I'm gonna put my finger in it. Okay, it's creamy. It's creamy. That's it right there. So I've been wanting to do a yellow eyeshadow look with a purple liner. I don't know if this is really the right purple that I wanted for that look, but this is very pretty. So I'm going to try this and see how it works out. And then last but not least, for their 5th anniversary, Colourpop was giving away a Super Shock shadow with every purchase. So I got one of them. This is the packaging for the watermelon collection. Very, very cute. And this one is in the shade Birthday Treat. And it's really pretty. The Color Shop, look at the packaging. Very, very cute. Watermelon theme. Super Shock shadows are not my favorite formula. They're spongy. They feel the glittery Obsessed glitters feel very much spongy, very much like this, but way spongier, if that makes any sense. This is the shade Birthday Treat. And it's really like this peachy, yeah, peach. Peachy pink. This is it right here. So it's pretty. I always end up using them more like toppers than just, you know, the only shadow on my lid. So I'll probably do the same with this one if I use it at all. And that is it. So I told you it was a small haul, and I'm really hoping that I can get this this one replaced. You know, did I know that these two were the same? I'm not sure if I did or not, but doesn't matter. I like to use the liner, the pencils in my waterline, and I like to use the ones in the pot to do for my wing or my lash line. So we'll see. Hopefully I can get this one replaced. Let me know if you would like to see any of these in a tutorial, or if you would like me to come back and give you reviews on these, and I will kindly do that for you. Let me know, did you order anything from the 5th anniversary sale collection launch? Did you get the new palette? You're surprised I didn't get the eyeshadow palette, right? I know you are. I know you are. I didn't do it though. I didn't do it. Let me know in the comments below. Have you used these liners before, and have you had similar issues with the mechanism and the packaging? Let me know. I'd be interested to hear, because I don't know if I'm going to be ordering any more of these from Colourpop. If you liked this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing, because I do makeup hauls, swatches, reviews, and tutorials here on my channel every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.